Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but hey, hope everybody's well. Before we do anything, please hit that subscribe button because there's more where this is coming from. So, we are headed to the beautiful Cape Town. And this video is about romantic things you and your partner can do in the mother city. So we drove from Maseru, Lesotho all the way to Cape Town because we wanted that experience. Also, we love drives. We slept over at a small town called Beaufort West on our way, and then slept over in a beautiful, majestic small town called Prince Albert on our way back. I captured all of those experiences as well, but you'll see them in my next video. For now, let's do romantic things because we felt they were romantic. We did them together with my amazing, handsome partner over here. Hey, handsome. Yes. Okay, see all that we got up to. Since we'd each been to Cape Town before, but on work capacity, we always felt we never really experienced what it's like to be tourists in the mother city. So that's what we did first, sightseeing. We booked and paid for our tickets online through the city sightseeing website, presented ourselves at their station on waterfront, and it was just as easy as that. There's a bus literally every second, so you don't have to worry about what time you get there or what time you need to take the bus. They'll print out tickets for you, make sure you don't lose those, and they'll give you earphones, which was quite interesting. You plug them in near your seat in the bus, and you basically get a tour of the whole city. Everything you pass by, all the important things, all the monuments, all the history, the rich history of South Africa. It was really beautiful to listen to. This is a tour of the entire city all day long. You have the option of hopping off a bus, getting into an activity, and then getting into the next bus that you will see at your location. That's why you need to have your tickets with you all the time. At this point, we were headed to the top of Table Mountain. Let's go. Arrived. Okay, so this is where you take the cable car. I would advise that you get some drinks, get a little food, use the bathroom before you can then go onto the cable car. The line going up to the cable car ride was insanely long, so just brace yourself. Well, I guess it also depends on what time of the year you go, but we had a really long line. I think we stood there for about an hour and a half, but it was totally worth it. The top of Table Mountain. This is like a whole world of its own. We got to do a little souvenir shopping. We were able to see the beautiful views of the mother city, engage with people, see lots of different people from different cultures. My husband and I actually met a very lovely lady who told us something that literally changed our lives. Up here, there's a different kind of life. There's entertainment, there's obviously beauty, majestic beauty, there's food, there's drinks, there's life. You do not want to miss this activity. The dunes. This one was definitely a favorite. My husband and I are low key adrenaline junkies, so anything that pumps up the adrenaline, we're in for. So, quad biking in the dunes was not missing our agenda. We booked with Twin Venture, which is a company owned by my two beautiful friends who are twins. I hadn't seen them in forever. So, as you can see, we were very happy to see each other. We paid online, which was a very swift process, and then just headed over to the dunes for the experience. The aquarium was an experience on its own. We bought our tickets at the aquarium. We didn't pre book like with the other activities. It was easy to do that. No hassles, really. There's also not a lot to do with the aquarium, hey? It's just walking around, looking at life under the sea, learning about different kinds of fish and animals that live under the sea. Yeah, not much to do, really. And we saw penguins as well. Yeah, and had a little bit of a shark attack. Okay, I'm just joking. It was in my imagination. We did see a shark, though. Hanging out on the beach has got to be one of my most favorite things to do. I love to watch the waves, I love the sound of the ocean, and I love watching the sunset at the ocean. So we went to Clifton Fourth Beach. We laid on the ground, on the sand, listened to music, just became present with each other. I usually wear a bikini when I go to the beach. You'll see my other videos. But this time I don't know, hey? I just didn't feel like it. I just wanted to hang. I didn't even want to get into the water. I did, however, stay at the beach until it was sunset time and I got to watch the most beautiful sunset ever. I couldn't even record it or record the moment because I was just so immensely taken by it. What I did do though is write a message for my husband on the beach, which I loved doing. Well, the plan was to have it stay there forever, but well. A ride on the Cape Wheel. What a romantic thing to do. This was one of the most romantic things we did, and I'd advise that you do it too. We bought the tickets right at the ticket office, and there's a special or like a discount for South African citizens, so we were lucky enough to get that, and then we hopped on. I don't get tired of the views of Cape Town. So it goes without saying that I had a really good time. It was so serene. We had a cot all to ourselves. This spot is right on V&A waterfront, so there's a lot to see from that angle. I got to see the ocean as well. As you may already know, the ocean is like my favorite thing ever to look at. So from this view, it was just phenomenal. I was breathtaking. So, at all these spots, like the top of Table Mountain, the aquarium, here as well, there's a photo studio where you can go in and get your picture taken. And then they'll Photoshop you onto those spots. It does look a little photoshopped, but yeah, we gave it a try with just this one spot, but I would advise against it. Just take the real pictures because you're there already. But I mean, if you were doing postcards like in the olden days, then this would be helpful. But otherwise, we do have this mini album looking thing that we can keep as a souvenir. All in all, we had a wonderful time in Cape Town. If you've watched this video up to this far, thank you so much for getting this far, and thank you for watching my other videos. And because this was a road trip, I've put together the rest of the road trip, so you can see how the experience was on the way and on the way back. So look out for that video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Now here's the album.